Hi guys and welcome to Data Alchemy. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the group by and having clauses. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to use our sales table. Okay, so let's start with group by. Group by allow us to group rows that have the same output. Okay, so let's say here laptop, smartphone, um, laptop again, tablet, blah blah. All these products products have the same category. So if I type select product name and category from sales where category is electronics, it's gonna give me laptop electronics, smartphone electronics, tablet electronics, etc. So the group by allow us to group these rows into one row. Okay, so let's say in, for example, I want to know for each category how many products I have in that category.
Hey, real quick, guys. If you need to book a lesson completely tailored based on your needs, you can find a link in the description below where you can book a lesson with me. See you in the classroom. Bye bye.
We have three categories which are electronics, accessories, and wearables. Okay, how can I do it? So we type select category. Okay, then because we want the how many, we gonna use the count function. Okay, count product name from sales. Now I'm gonna type group and with only one u, group by category, like that. So before I hit control enter, how workbench gonna treat this query right here. So it's gonna find all the products, all their corresponding categories. It's gonna group these products by categories, and then it's gonna count how many products in that in these categories. Okay, so now I hit control enter and we can see that we have 5 products in the electronics category. We have 4 in the accessories, and we only have 1 wearable. Okay, so now um, let's talk about the having clause. What is the having clause? The having clause is used when we cannot use the where clause. So what does that mean? It means that where and having have we use them in both same condition, which is when we have a condition. Okay, but when do we use having over where? We use having in two main situations. The first one is when we are using an aggregate function. Between parentheses, what are the aggregate functions? They are the count, sum, mean, max, and average. Okay, we talked about these functions in a previous lecture. That's the first situation. The second situation is when we are using the group by clause. Okay, so now if I want only the conditions, only the categories that have more than three products, for example. So we are going to use the same query, select category count from sales group by category. Okay, and now we type having. If we type where, uh, count, because we want the count, the how many, product name, oops, product name is greater than 3, it's gonna give me an error. Here you can see the error. You have an error in your SQL syntax, and you can see here, right here, that we have a little line under the where is not valid at this position. So we have to replace where with something else, and the something else is having. Why? Because we are using an aggregate function, and because we are using the group by. Okay, now it's gonna give me the output that I am expecting, which is electronics, because it has more than 5 products, and also accessories, because it has uh, 4 products. Okay, so guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and as usual, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and I will be very happy to answer it. And don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.